What's up, guys? It's Robson Hayashida here, and today I'm going to show to you guys it's advanced level session, and well, the price is being trading live now, and what I want to show you guys is that after this was a huge move that happened on the euro yen. This is the pair on 1 minute. So we have a huge bearish move that happened, and you can see here that here you don't really have anything telling us that like this was going to happen. But if you take a look at the calendar, so let me go to Chrome. So here you have something that happened just a few minutes ago. So it was 10 p.m. Okay, here in Hong Kong. So 10 p.m. here in Hong Kong, and we got this red news. It was the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, which affects the US dollar. All right, and so when I change back to, let me change to euro yen. So although this red news is about US dollars not directly related to euro yen, as you can see here, it also affected this pair. Okay, so because of that red news, the pair euro yen dropped all the way up to here. Okay, so let me remove this news. Okay, so let me remove this indicator, news indicator, so that you can take a look. Okay, so as you can see, there was a huge drop here, right? Followed by this green candle that had a huge volume and failed to go all the way up. So it was a tiny green candle, but the volume was huge. Okay. So when that happens, usually I'm going to wait for a retrace. So I usually recommend you wait for the retrace until it goes back to the key level. So in this case, you can see that the key level was reached here. Okay, so you can see the key level. So you can see the price reached the key level at 130.750. Okay, this is the key level. Okay, so let me write to you guys. So you can see that the key level was reached. Okay, so the key level was reached at 130.750. Okay, so it was around here. So when you have this thing that happened, that dragon, the inclination of dragon is moving down, and the inclination at this point was really good. So it was about 5 o'clock, around 4 to 5 o'clock inclination. Okay, and you can see that this huge green candle has broken the previous low. So the previous low was here, but the huge not green the huge red candle, huge red candle has broken the previous low here. Okay, so it broke it, the previous low, at around 130.684. Okay, so it broke it here and went all the way down. So what do you in order to trade this, what do you consider? You consider this. So there was a huge red candle. Okay, and then it broke the previous low. Okay, and this huge red candle had huge volume, a notable huge volume. Okay, so you can see that volume here was huge. So what do? So here after that, okay, I wait. So what do? So when to enter? When to enter? So you wait for a retrace. Okay, back to the key level. Okay, so you're going to wait for a retrace back to the key level, and then when that happens, you enter. Okay, so you're gonna enter. Okay, enter at the key level. Okay, so I would enter here. This is where I'm going to enter bearish. Okay, so I'm gonna short. So I enter and I sell my position here and target 5 pips and close. Okay, Sometimes you don't want to target 5 pips, you want to target the previous low, which is here, okay? So if you want to be more aggressive, instead of just 5 pips, you can, well, we can assume, you can guess, you can predict that from this key level, price will go all the way at least to the previous low, which is here. Okay, so you don't count the shadow, but you count the body of the candle. So the body of the candle finished here. So 130585. Okay, so this is where you're gonna set your target. And as you can see, the target was reached here. Okay, so it was so once you get close to the target, you would have sold here. Okay, so you would have, in this case, we would have achieved at least well, so at least 735 to 589, 735 589. So that would be 14 pips. Okay, 14 pips. So there would have enough space for us to have reached 14 pips of move in this trade. Okay, so this is the lesson for tonight. And in order to enter this, I look at this, of course, but you also have other confirmations if you want. Well, if you need more extra confirmations, which is the lower tops. Okay, so you have the double shoulders here, although this piece has gone a little bit upper, but you do have this confirmation by looking at this top, and then you have lower top. Okay, so you have another like another lower top. Okay, so you have a top here that's lower than this one, so we have lower tops here, and then you have, well, you have another lower top here. Okay, if you look at this as a top, so you have another lower top with high volume. Okay, so you have indications that this trend is bearish. All right, so this is my lesson for tonight. Once again, if you don't know PVSRA, don't only watch this video, because I'm sure if you are new to PVSRA, you haven't understood anything about this video. So please go back and watch my previous videos for beginners, because this is a video for like intermediate, advanced level traders. So this is my message for tonight. Thank you very much, and I see you again on my next video. Bye.